What's doing? Welcome to another episode of Pro Check. This week we're going to get my S13 repaired from the damage from Mac. We're going to try and get it ready for Powercruise, and we've also got Nick's HK in here. We're doing a few upgrades on, get that ready for Powercruise as well. Yes, that's right. So we've got a few cars to get ready. Josh's car is almost ready to go. He had to do a new gearbox. My car needed panel repairs, straightening, new paint, new doors. Now I've got to get it serviced, get the car running and going, make sure that's right. Nick has a list of things to get done, so let's get stuck into this and see how we go. I'm going to try and get in this door. Not opening. Hey Josh!
Yeah, what?
I need keys for the Silvia. Alright, we've got the keys from Josh. That doesn't work. Hey Josh!
What now?
Those keys didn't work. I need the other keys.
Here you go.
Yep, that'll work, Josh. That'll work. Always movement.
Open.
I just have a permanently open door handle now. So the door opens on the drift car now. That's cool. Just doesn't shut. Alright, so we've just undone all the rivets in here. We've drilled them all out. Let's see what's behind door number 2. Oh, it's not so bad. The old space filler. Makes wonders. The guard's not too bad. Bit of a dent there. That's what I did. But it's not too bad. And it's off to the panel shop. Alright, I've got man flu today, so you have to bear with the noises, and the boys are working hard doing snorkels and lift kits and whatever. But S13's back, it's all been repaired. I've also got Nick's HK here behind me as well. We're going to Powercruise this weekend. We're trying to get his car ready to go. It's got a complete new setup on it, all new cage, new turbo, new manifolds, new intercooler, new radiator, new ECU. So we'll go have a quick look at that, and we'll have a look over my car. So Josh says I lied to him. That's why I said I'm not doing it on the ground, because it's not fun.
No, the back track wasn't fun.
No, it has a bash tray so I don't break anything. But Rowan did my car wonders, and look at this. She's nice and straight, all painted, all fresh and shiny like. My oil looks like milk apparently. But we're back, seats are back in, interior's all back in, I just need to clean it. But it's all back. The door is now nice and straight, the window now works, it opens and closes. Yeah, she's come up all nice and mint. He's also fixed all my cracks that were in here. He's fixed the cracks that are in my bonnet. What else did he do? Oh, the front bar has been all fixed. That's all he was going to put it on. The front bar is all fixed as well from all the damage it had. And she's looking pretty again, so it's nice and straight. Now I just can't bin it again, Josh.
Trying.
Try not to. We've got Powercruise this weekend, so we'll see how we go. Now this big dog, we've got a GDX55, T6 rear, I think it's a 1 point something, 1.6, man flu's kicking in, can't remember. 4.5 inch dump pipe, all new radiator, 100mm thick. And we've also got a new intercooler in here. This has all been done by the guys at Fab Lab. Finally got a catch can set up instead of running the Powerade bottles down the vents in the corner there. We go inside here. Nicholas is doing some new brakes because he's also done booster delete. So it's now running just a Willwood pedal box setup. Hey Nick.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. We have Haltech Dash Elite 2500 all plugged in, ready to go. I just did a bit of a run-up tune on it before just to make it run and get up to temp. We won't even start up now so you can have a look. So yeah, Haltech Dash is all plugged in, ready to go. Haltech's tucked away in the corner over there. Miller did all the wiring. You're right now, Nick. See him turn off so you can hear me. So we've got a friend of ours, Miller, he did all the wiring. Fab Lab did all the fab. We've made, this turbo wasn't on here before, we had a smaller turbo which Shane's been gifted. And we're going to have to change all the dump pipe design, but that's all done. We've got new E-gate, so we're looking to play with that, see how the E-gate goes and has a bit more control, and he's got a 12 dial switch. So ready for skids?
Ready for skids.
Just get your brakes working first. Alright, we'll get stuck into some brake bleeding and I'll see whether this ends up doing this. The other thing I'm going to try and do is get this Mac valve wired in and get that tuned so I can make boost down low. Josh is just finishing the service on this now. Might even give it a bit of an engine bay clean under here and get that all sorted, but otherwise she's good to go. I'm pretty impressed about the old panel. She's looking good. Alright, well that's it from us this week. I'll try and get my S13 on the dyno before we go. We're going to get Nick's car dyno and get that done. Josh's car should be right. It was dynoed last when we went out for Friday night test and tune. Friday night drift, whatever it was, that last one. But we're all ready to go, so we'll get loaded up, be ready to go on Friday, and make sure you hit that like, hit subscribe. You'll see some more action from Powercruise. There's a heap of other cars coming down, not just the drift cars. So we've got Nick's car, we've got Mark's twin turbo LS. There's another couple of big turbo LS cars coming down as well. So make sure you hit that like, hit subscribe, and we'll stay tuned for more action.